Is there a hadith that mentions that we should not offer the janazah of someone that did not pray? To the best of my knowledge, there is no hadith that states the following in such explicit terms. Rather, what the Prophet ﷺ mentions is the covenant between us and the disbelievers is the abandonment of the salah. Meaning that if a person completely abandons the salah, then they are on the verge of disbelief, and according to some scholars, have actually left the fold of Islam. In such a situation, what we need to remember is that as laymen, we're not there to point fingers and call people disbelievers or non-believers. What we're responsible for is advising them and encouraging them to pray and taking them with us to the masjid whenever we are able to. As for that ruling of disbeliever, this is something that should be left to the scholars and to the judges within Islam. And it is only pertinent if we're trying to figure out how their inheritance should be divided and what happens thereafter. This is not relevant to the average Muslim, and thus it should be refrained from, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows best.
Subscribe to this channel, share this video, and click on the bell icon so that you can be notified with every new video at Faith IQ. Jazakumullah khairan. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.